So, quick glance at all sections of RPUP Act. Section 1, short title, extent and commencement. Section 2, definitions. So 2A, force, 2B, member of the force, 2C, officer of the force, 2D, railway property, 2E, superior officers. So section 3, penalty for theft, dishonest misappropriation or unlawful possession of railway property. 3A, maximum penalty for first time, 5 years or fine or both. Minimum is 1 year and 1000 rupees. 3B, for second and subsequent offence, maximum penalty is 5 years and fine. Minimum is 2 years and 2000 rupees. Section 4, punishment for abatement, conspiracy and connivance at offence. Penalty is same, first 3A, like 5 years or fine or both. Section 5, offences under the Act not to be cognizable. Section 6, power to arrest without warrant. Section 7, disposal of persons arrested. Section 8, inquiry how to be made. Section 9, power to summon persons to give evidence and produce documents. Section 10, issue of search warrant. Section 11, searches and arrests how to be made. Section 12, officers required to assist. Section 13, power of courts to order forfeiture of vehicles, etc. Section 14, act to override other laws. Section 15, construction of references to laws not enforced in Jammu and Kashmir. Section 16, repeal and savings. Hope you all understand all this section and it is beneficial for you all for revision, quick revision of the RPUP Act. So thank you and all the very best for your examination. Thank you so much. All the best.